In this video, I'm going to talk about Viva Learning. Microsoft Viva Learning is basically an application that allows you to create basically a central hub for learning where people can discover, share, and learn from content libraries across the organization. Basically, it is used to empower the teams and individuals to make learning a natural part of the day. Viva Learning is a part of Microsoft Viva Suite that is designed to help focus, learn, connect, and thrive at work. Viva Learning basically allows you to share, recommend, and learn from the content libraries across the organization, again, for empowering your teams and individuals. Viva Learning contains more than 10,000 plus courses. Viva Learning connects to Microsoft Learn, Microsoft Docs. It connects to some free LinkedIn articles as well. However, if you have a LinkedIn subscription as a part of your organization, then you can even connect LinkedIn Learning as well. Now, Viva Learning can be accessed in Microsoft Teams as well. So it's a standalone app as well as it can be accessed in Microsoft Teams. It allows you to add multiple learning provider, which I'm going to showcase that in a demo. Capabilities. Now, what are the capabilities of Viva Learning? Now, one is you can uh, content. You can view the content, you can rate the content, you can share the content, you can mark content as complete, and you can view the featured content. As a part of tracking your learning history, you can, under My Learning, you can bookmark your learnings, you can learn from the recommendation, you can view the learning in progress and learning completed activities. Okay, so you can basically track what you are learning, what you will learn in the future. So, those all things can be marked, and your journey can start for on learning various topics which is relevant for your growth. Profile, you can specify the interest. Now, how the system will know what all topics to surface out? So if you specify your profile correctly, if you specify your interest basically in the profile, then it will allow you to uh, surface out the content accordingly. So if example, if you surfaced out information like, say, if you set your interest as, say, power platform, then only the power platform videos will be displayed to you. If you select as management, then power platform and management videos will be displayed to you in the profile. Now you can search the content, you can configure the providers, you can export the learning record, and you can do many more from learning capabilities. Now this is how the interface looks like. It's a part of Teams application. So this Viva Learning is triggered using the Teams application. Here you can see the profile info. Here you can see how things are faring out, what's the in progress state. You can pin the content to the sidebar. You can bookmark the content. You can pick your interest. You can specify what all videos would you like to view, and you can search the Viva Learning content, and you can view all the content over here. Viva Learning app. This is the web-based application. Now this is in a dark mode, and that's why it's the background is a bit dark. So here again, if you go on My Learning, it will show you the personalized information about how your learning journey has fared so far, and admin will provide you to do some settings which will help you to integrate or export some data with regards to Viva Learning. Now, again, this is like the Viva Learning page. So let me jump into the demo. So here, how to access Viva Learning is, again, go to viva.cloud.microsoft, and here you will find a tab called as Learning. Once you click on it, it will open Viva Learning on the web application. So if I click over here, Viva Learning, then you can see this is how the learning application looks like. Now, let me show you by logging in as another user. So take for example, if I'm Alex, okay. Now Alex will see like this. Now this application can be opened in a web-based interface or in a Teams. So if you don't find your Teams app, just click on three dots, click on Viva, type in Viva, and then click on Viva Learning. And once you see the Viva Learning, just right click and pin it. Okay, and then from that point onwards, you can access this Viva Learning app. Now we will just focus on the web application. Web application and Teams application both are same. Okay, so on the left hand side you will see your profile info. You can see the in progress. You can see the bookmarks which you have done. So if I click on bookmark, it will uh, basically show you all the bookmarked application. Okay. If I click on in progress, here you will see all the in progress videos for you. And then on this particular section here, you will see various featured content, okay, which is being presented based on the interest which you have shown. Okay. Now, how to set your interest? Here you will see some section called as saved interest. So I have mentioned CRM and collaboration as my saved interest. But if I click on edit, then I can specify something else as well. So if I say my interest is, say, data visualization, Dynamics 365, and graphic design, and if I save this, then the all the content will be accordingly displayed. Now, if you see your learning graphic design history and introduction to graphic design has surfaced out, it is based on my saved interest. This has shown me. Now, if I want to see something on CRM, I will just type in the search and then it will give me CRM related videos. Now, any video which you see key over here, that means it is coming from LinkedIn. However, you can't access those information. Okay, so this is all protected content. However, if you see this, this is coming from Microsoft Learn and you can access it free of cost. Okay, so this is like a web-based content, and once you are done with the viewing the content, you can mark this. You can rate the content. So if I rate this content, say maybe 4 star, and I just close it, and I can say that okay, let me bookmark this content. Okay, I can do it from here. I can share this content. I can share it to either teams or copy the link. So the link, I can copy the link and then can share it with a colleague, or I can share it with a team. And once I'm done with this content, I can mark this as complete. Okay, so this will be updated in my learning application. So if I go to my learning and if I see completed, it will show me that I have completed this particular course. There are some course in progress state. I can browse for more than 10,000 plus courses in Viva Learning, and these are some of the courses which is recommended to me. Okay, so if I click on browse courses, then I will be presented with various graphic designing courses, CRM related courses based on my profile interest. Now, anything which you see in locked, you can't access. It means you can't, you can navigate to the content, but then you need to have a valid LinkedIn subscription. But there are some LinkedIn subscription course which is available for free. Okay. Now, if you want to see more information, you can click on see details and then it will open this page. Now, if you see this option, it says LinkedIn Learning subscription needed if you want to view this course. And once you're done with this course, again, you can mark this as complete and it will give you more information about all the courses. Under admin, you can set various settings. So you can manage the providers. So you can add a provider. Now I have two providers over here, Microsoft Learn, Microsoft 365 Training, and there is a LinkedIn Learning. Now I can add providers. So if I click on providers, I can add a list of provider, which is a SharePoint provider. Then if I click on next, then I need to type in the display name and the URL of the SharePoint site. Currently, I don't have one. So, but you can still add a SharePoint provider as well. Okay. Now, learners record. If I want to see how other team members are doing, say, take for example, how Alex is doing, how Alex is performing, then I can click on Alex and I can export this content. Okay, so Alex's content will be uh, downloaded, and then I can actually see what all courses Alex has undergone with details. Okay, now I've opened this Excel. It will give you an information like there is a self-initiated course by Alex called as Working and Collaboration Online from LinkedIn Learning, and this is what the completion status is. And these are some of the details of the user. Okay, so this is how you can export the user's record with regards to learning. From settings, you can block the URL for add link to content in learning collections. You can allow learners to add link to content using web link file like YouTube, Vimeo, etc. Now, as I don't have a premium license, I cannot do it. But however, if you have a premium license, then you can add LinkedIn, YouTube videos, LinkedIn videos, or YouTube videos, or any other external link videos over here, so that your organization can reap benefit out of the YouTube provider as well. Language preferences, you can set various languages. I've set it to English US. And also you can show learning content in default and use the selected languages if you turn this option on. So from a Viva Learning perspective, basically it's kind of like a internal training management system for your organization, which will help you track, which will help you suggest training content. You can browse through the content. It can be a self-learning activity, or it can be organization directed course management system as well. You can navigate to various content. Like if I click on see all, it is actually searching for all the content, and it is categorizing based on the interest which you have shown. Now if you just want to see only related to Dynamics 365, you can take all the options off, and it will only list down courses which is related to Dynamics 365. As you see, this has been filtered for Dynamics 365, and you can navigate to the content. So take for example, if I go into this course, then I can complete this course. How do I complete this course? I can open this as a new tab, and I will complete this course. And once I'm done with it, I'll say, okay, now this course is complete. I'll mark this course as complete. And you'll be presented with a nice interface. So I'll just rate it as 4 star. And here, if you click on settings, you can go to settings, give feedback, get support. If you click on settings, it will list down the content sources. If you have a LinkedIn Premium account, you can click on sign in, and then LinkedIn Learning Premium content will get projected in this particular uh, My Viva Learning application as well. So you will be presented with a lot of content, and all the key thing which you see over here, which says that the subscription is needed. This all content you can then view it for free of cost. So that's it, folks. This is all about Viva Learning. And you can configure various providers to enrich the content of your course repository for your staff. Thanks for watching.